In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get NFL RedZone student discount. First, launch your preferred browser, head over to the official Europe NFL Sunday ticket page, select Get NFL Sunday Ticket, then look underneath the standard plans for the option that says eligible students can save with a student plan. Select that option to begin the student verification process. Next, you'll be taken to SheerID for student verification. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and college or university information. If your enrollment cannot be verified automatically, you may be asked to upload proof of your student status such as a current student ID, tuition receipt, or another accepted enrollment document. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and the uploaded document is clear and readable. After SheerID approves your student status, return to the Europe checkout page. You should then see the student pricing option. Look for the plan labeled NFL Sunday Ticket plus NFL RedZone price at $129 for the season and select it before entering your payment information and completing the purchase. Remember, NFL RedZone student discount is bundled with NFL Sunday Ticket student, so you can't purchase the student RedZone discount separately. Once a purchase is complete, you can use the same Google account to access your subscription through supported YouTube and YouTube TV apps. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.